Hello, good morning. Aro, moi aji tu ekta call thaka tu March 8 te moi ekta video, ekta content banai na short ekta upload kurise. Tela tu video tu current situation of water in my village enega kuri na upload kurise. Aro tade moi kam phai ame kan laga family members, beautiful viewers ekjun bra nam do Skoski Potato. Aro moi tala nam pronounce kura parane kule tu মাফ কৰি দিবি আৰু নাম জানিয়া থাকিছে তাই এনেকা comments কৰি দিছে complain to the authorities about the village council and VDB for not implementing the JJM Jal Jeevan Mission scheme. Even small villages get crores of rupees to provide running water to every household. So tai brand nika comments kuri kina ase to oi edu saile edu hosa ase aro apni kan brother tu kinika bhabe hetu right na wrong ase Jal Jeevan Mission do every household edu running water punjibole lage enya kuina edu ekta implement kurina ase hoilebi edu tu kunba village khan de to hole to punji kina ase hoilebi etia tak kunba to edu apni kan la hisab de hole edu tu hosa ase na right ase na wrong ase comment de kuri dibi aro hosa ase koile tu right ase koile tu edu village council aro VDB edu khan village members khan do tai khan edu kam na kuri kena edu ki kuri ase koi kena tai khan logot de bi ekta edu janai di ase.